go to the first one right here, and then look down here on the stage. I can see it says your question will appear here, and then there's some check boxes. And then you're going to get some feedback. There's some navigation. Well, how do I get my questions in there? First of all, right now everything is selected, so I'm just going to click off in a neutral area, and then this box right here, this multiple choice interaction, make sure you haven't already signed that one. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Now back to our regularly scheduled guide. You're going to click on this box right here, multiple choice interaction. Then you come up here to Window, and you're going to go down to Component Inspector, and this window will come up. Now initially when this comes up, yours may be really small and you can't read it. That's very annoying. Just grab that bottom right corner, stretch it out really big, and we're ready for a first question. And so think about the different pages on your website. On that first page, we talked about a couple of different things. So I could have a question like, what is my hometown? Then I have to come up with the correct answer, obviously, and then 3 non-answers. So maybe for a non-answer I put San Diego to confuse kids, because that's where we are right now. And then maybe I'll make up New York, and then let's say Dallas, or actually on that one I'm going to put Plainview, and on this one I'll put Dallas. Now the correct answer is Plainview, so I get to choose over here which one is correct. So I'm going to click right there, and I need to uncheck that one. I only want one correct answer. Okay? And once you finish that, then you're just going to go to the next keyframe. You have to click again one time, only one time, on this multiple choice interaction. Now we're ready for question 2 and answers, and choose which one is correct. That's the only places you write. You write your questions here, and under label you're going to have answers, and then you choose the correct one. And so you're going to have 6 different questions as you go through here. And if I go ahead and export this, hit Apple Return, you can see what it's going to look like. It comes up like that. If I click here, here's that first question I put in. What is my hometown? And then if I chose New York, then it says check answer. I click on there and say no, that's incorrect. And I don't get another choice. Now I just have to move on. Now it says second question. So you'll need to go through and fill out all those questions. Once you have them all filled out, it's really simple what you do next. You just go back to Dreamweaver, and I'm still in my quiz file. And then if I look over here, it says quiz SWF is the file we're looking for. And if I just drag and drop that right there, OK, pops in there, save the file, Command S, and then I can preview it. And I like Safari, but you're welcome to use whatever. And you can see it's now embedded in this web page. And if I click next, this comes up. What is my hometown? And if I put New York again, check the answer. That's incorrect. Keep going. So get 6 questions in there with answers, and you'll see at the end of the quiz it gives you a score tally of how you've done. The only thing we're missing now, we still need a link to get to this page on all the other pages. You may recall when we did the timeline, all we did was click right there, hit return, and now I'm going to call this my quiz, and I'm going to select it. Come over here to where it says link, a little bullseye, Click on the bullseye, and I'm going to go to Quiz.html. That's a web page. You don't want to link it to something that's not a web page. Now if I come over here, now I can see it changed from plain text to a link. I'm going to select it and copy that, and I need to put this in every page. Let's see here. I did notice in my timeline page, see here's my timeline page, I forgot to put the title on there, my timeline. So if you haven't done that, you can go ahead and fix that. Here, oops, forgot to add the link, didn't I? Hit return, paste it in. Quiz page already has it because that's where I made it. Here's my plan page. I'm going to click, hit return and paste. Classes, click, return and paste. Friends. I really need to get some pictures of my friends, don't I? And my index. Click, return, and paste. Now see all those asterisks? I know I showed you this before, but if you forgot, just click on File, and you can choose Save All, and they all save at the same time. And if I go to Preview in Safari, I can see the link is there, and that link is there on every single page, and each one of those will take me right to here. That concludes this guide. Hope you have a great day and a great spring break. Talk to you guys later.